Hey everyone, today, I'm giving you my Insta360 Go Ultra review, 4 months after using it on my vlogging adventures. Spoiler. This little action cam has been a total game changer. First off, the design is compact enough to fit in your pocket, though it's a bit chunky with the base. The camera alone is just 53 grams, light, portable, and surprisingly durable. I've thrown it in bags, worn it on trips, and the screen hasn't scratched yet. The camera is water resistant up to 33 feet, but the base isn't, so keep that in mind. Using it is simple. You can record handheld, attach it to a tripod, clip it on a hat, or even wear it as a necklace for hands-free filming. The screen flips 180 degrees for vlogging, giving you full control and live preview. Quick access to settings, resolution, and battery life makes it super convenient. Video quality is excellent for its size. It shoots up to 4K at 60 FPS, with slow motion at 1080p 240 FPS. Colors are accurate, HDR works well, and stabilization is solid, even when walking around or moving quickly. Nighttime footage is decent, though a bit tricky in low light. Audio is surprisingly good for a tiny camera. The built-in mic picks up voices clearly, even in crowded places. For best results, you can also use wireless mics. Battery life is around 1 hour on the camera alone, but with the charging base, you can get almost 3 hours of recording, perfect for a day out. In short, the Insta360 Go Ultra is flexible, compact, and ideal for hands-free vlogging or action shots. It's not perfect, but for travel, adventures, or spontaneous filming, it's brilliant. If you want to see more, check out the footage from my trips to Oktoberfest and Day of the Dead, links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews.